students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with question number 4 of chapter 8, exercise 8.4 of class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 4 has 4 parts. So here we will be solving only 2 parts here. Next parts will be solved in next videos. Okay. So in the first part, it is given that 9 6 square a minus 9 10 square a is equals to, and there are 4 options given over here. So we need to choose any one of the option, the correct option. We need to choose the correct option, and we need to justify it whether that option is correct or not. Okay. So we have chosen the option and we need to justify why that option is correct. Okay. So it is being given 9 6 square a minus 9 10 square a. So taking 9 to be common, we'll be getting over here sec square a minus tan square a. Okay. So we have taken 9 to be common. Okay. Now there are 3 identities we already know. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The second identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. And the third identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So sec square theta, from the third identity, it is clearly we can see that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So from here, we will be putting the value of this identity. So sec square theta can be replaced by 1 plus tan square theta according to identity. Okay. So instead of theta, here we are given an angle, a specific angle, that is A. Okay. So it will be 9 1 plus tan square A. Okay. And here is the minus sign which is in this here between. Again tan square A. Okay. So when we will open it, this tan square is of A is of plus sign, and this tan square A is of minus sign. So both will get cancelled, plus minus will get cancelled, and we will be left over here with only 1. We will be left here with only 1. So 9 into 1. So 9 into 1 will be 9 as my answer. Okay. The answer will be 9. So the option B is correct. So whenever you get such type of questions, you need to justify it, you need to solve it, and then only you can say which of the option is correct. Okay. So now let us move on to the second part of question number 4. The second part, we are having an expression having 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta multiplied by 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So here we should replace tan, sec, cot and cosec in terms of sine and cos. So we already know that tan theta is equals to sine upon cos. Sec theta will be replaced as 1 upon cos. It is the reciprocal of cos. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, so it will be 1 upon cos. Then cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So cosec theta will be equal to 1 upon sine theta. And cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. So tan is sine upon cos. So cot will be cos upon sine. So let us replace all of them. Let us replace all of them and see what we are getting over here. So the expression will look like 1 plus sine theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Okay, this expression will look like this. multiplied by 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta. Okay, so individually we'll be taking the LCM. Here the LCM will be of cos theta, and here the LCM which we will be taking will be of sin theta. Here in the denominator we are having cos, so the LCM will be of cos theta, and here in the denominator we are having sin, so the LCM which we will be taking will be of sin theta. So let us take the LCM. Cos theta, here it will come cos theta, cos will go 1 times, here it will come sin theta plus 1. Okay, and here we'll be getting sin theta, so here it will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay, so after taking the LCM we have got this value, this expression. Now in the numerator we can see this is common, so we can suppose it to be A. Okay, we can suppose it to be A, we can assume it to be equal to A. So we can get over here from here A plus 1 in the numerator, and here A minus 1 upon cos theta sin theta. So here we can get the formula, for A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So it is equal to A square minus B square. So from here we will be getting A square minus 1 square. Okay, B is 1 and A is capital A, and A we have replaced by A, actual value of A is cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, so let us put it and let us solve it. So we'll be getting over here cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. Okay, so now this becomes the formula for A plus B whole square. It becomes the formula for A plus B whole square. We'll be opening it with this formula. So it is A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So it becomes a formula for A plus B whole square, where A is cos theta and B is sin theta and B is sin theta. So it will, when we will open it, we'll be getting over here cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 upon cos theta sin theta. Okay, so now using the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. This whole value will be equal to 1 because of the identity, trigonometric identity. Okay, so now we will be left over here with 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 upon cos theta sin theta. So this 1 and this 1 gets cancelled because it is of negative sign, and this one is positive. So both gets cancelled. So both the ones gets cancelled. So we are left here with 2 cos theta sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta. Okay, so here both the terms are same, so they get cancelled. Cos theta gets cancelled, sin theta gets cancelled. So we are left here with 2 as our answer. So the 2 is option C. Option C is correct. So we need to choose any one of the answer with 4 options are given to us. So the C option is correct and the answer is 2. So the method is that if you are not getting how to solve it, firstly convert the tan to sin and cos. Convert into simplest form, convert all the trigonometric ratios into sine and cos, and then start solving it. Okay, there is surely another method also for solving this, but in order to get easiest way is to convert into sine and cos and then start solving the question. So ultimately we are getting the answer as 2. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.